Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to your WordPress website. Once you see the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner where the login option is clearly displayed. Clicking on login will take you to the authentication screen in which WordPress offers several ways to sign in. At the sign in page, look for the option that allows you to continue with a popular external account. In this case, select the option that says continue with Google and then choose the Google account you prefer to use. This method offers a quick and secure way to access your WordPress site without the hassle of remembering another set of credentials. After you have successfully logged in, locate the section labeled Quick Links. Within this area, there is an option to edit your site. Click on the Edit Site link, which will bring you into the site editor where you have full control over various components of your page. The site editor provides an intuitive interface that makes it easy to modify your site's content and layout. Within the site editor, direct your focus to the bottom area of your page, which is known as the footer. The footer typically contains widgets and links that are common across every page of your website, so precise adjustments here can have a broad impact. Click on the footer area to begin making your edits. You should see interactive elements that allow you to add new content or adjust existing items. Next, look for an icon that resembles a plus sign. This icon is universally recognized as a way to add new blocks of content. Clicking on the plus icon will open up a menu that lists different types of blocks you can incorporate. The clear labeling of these blocks means you will easily find the features you need without any confusion. From the array of block options provided, search for the option marked Page Link. Selecting this block is an essential step because it is specifically designed for integrating links within your text widgets. The page link block offers a simple interface where you can add hyperlinks either manually through text entry or by selecting an existing page from a drop-down list. With the page link block active, you have the opportunity to provide a URL or choose one of your current pages to link to. Entering the link manually gives you full control over the complete address, making this method particularly useful if you need to direct visitors to an external site or a new page that has not yet been added to your list. Alternatively, if the purpose of your link is to connect to an existing page on your website, simply select that page from the available list. This choice ensures that your link is valid and leads directly to the intended destination, simplifying your site's navigation for your visitors. By following these clear and straightforward instructions step by step, you are now guided through the process of adding functional hyperlinks to your text widgets in WordPress. Taking care to ensure that every click is deliberate and every entry is precise will result in a smooth and efficient update to your website's navigation capabilities. Enjoy the ease and flexibility that WordPress offers while creating an accessible and engaging site experience.